Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are fine and good. Today I am going to start a poem for second standard. The poem name is Rakhi Day is Righteous Day. This is a poem related to Raksha Bandhan. Already we have explained the lesson Raksha Bandhan in our last class. I hope so everyone are understood. So today I am going to start a poem called Rakhi Day is Righteous Day. First, before going into the poem, I would like to explain the new terms, that is the glossary, meanings. Shall we move on, children? So, you have a new word on the page number 15. Go to the page number 15. So, in the page number 14, you have Rakhi Day is Righteous Day poem. In page number 15, you can see a new words with their meanings. First one, brim. Brim means full. Here, brim means full, full of happiness. Second, glow. Glow, what is glow? Glow means shine. So, have you seen full moon in the sky during the night, children? How it is? It is shining. How can you see the moon in the night? It is shining brightly in the night, isn't it? So, glow means shine. Next, abiding. A-B-I-D-I-N-G. Abiding means obeying, lasting for a long time. So, obey means you will obey your teachers, parents. Right. Next, lasting for a long time. Here for this, you can say that relationship between brother and sister will last for long time, will remain for long time. So, abiding means obeying, lasting for a long time. Next, dwell. Dwell means reside or stay. Okay. Shall move on to the poem. Children, take out your pencil and underline the difficult words. Before going into the poem, can you see the picture? See. Do you know who is he? Have you seen him? What is his name? He is our former president, APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, he was our former president of India. You can see a small child is tying Rakhi to his hand, to his wrist. Okay. Here, he has a title called Missile Man of India. He is our former president of India. So, let's start our poem. This full moon day, our hearts are in brim. What do you mean by this? Already I have explained you. When is the Raksha Bandhan celebrated? It is celebrated on the full moon day of Shravana, in the month of Shravana. On that day, sister get ready in the early morning. She is waiting for her brother to tie Rakhi on his wrist. Who is waiting here? The sister is waiting. So, she is waiting for her brother to tie a Rakhi. So, brim means full. Here, full of happiness. So, our heart is filled with joy and happy. Because when Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the full moon day of Shravana, our hearts are full of joy and happy. Means your sister will happy on that day. Even brother too. Isn't it? Even the sister ties Rakhi to the wrist of his brother, the brother will also be happy and the sister. So here they are telling, when they celebrate the Raksha Bandhan, their heart will be brim, means full of happy, filled with joy. So next, we light the lamps and our hearts glow. So you can see, when you light up the lamp around your house, how you feel? You will enjoy the brightness and beauty of the light. By seeing that, our hearts will also glow like that lamp, isn't it? So, people will decorate their house with lamp and lights. So, sister will dress up very nice and will wait for her brother, okay, to tie a Rakhi on his wrist. So, what is wrist? I have taught you in the last class. Wrist means where you tie watch or where you wear bangles. Wrist is a part of hand below your palm. Okay. Next, abiding them to do only what is right and clean. Here, what she thinks, after tying a Rakhi, she wished that this relation will last for a long time, should remain for a long time. This brother and sister both should think that our relation should remain for a long time and should guide them each other. So, isn't it, children? This is a relation. This is a relationship not only for one day. It exists for long lasting till the end. So here, and should guide each other what is right and clean, should move in a right way. The brother will promise the sister to protect her in a right way, to guide her in a right way, to support her in a right way. So next, put the kumkuma and blessed rice on the head. So here, everyone know what is kumkum. Kumkum means it is a color powder. It is color powder which is put to the forehead. And you know, while doing puja, you prepare your thali first, isn't it? So that is called arti. You will prepare a thali and put kumkum, rice, rakhi, sweets, and place a small lamp or diya in it. Okay, you can see here. Everything is there in it. While tying the rakhi, you will put kumkum and rice on his forehead, on the forehead of your brother. Okay, children. Where will dwell right thoughts and noble action? Where will dwell right thoughts and noble action? So here the sister is thinking that my brother should become a good person and a noble person. Noble action means he should not do bad or a wrong thing or should not harm anyone. He should become a noble person. He should become a good person. He should be a kind. He should be a good. He should guide the sister in a right way. He should support her in a right way. So this is a relation is so precious. So I hope all understood.